Good morning, students. Today we will discuss that psychology is a discipline. Means psychology is as a natural science or social science. But first of all, we have to study that what does psychology study. So it studies behavior, experience, and mental processes. And our definition is also based on the same thing. What psychology is defined formally as a science which studies behavior, experience in mental processes. It seeks to understand and explain how the mind works. So I have already discussed it in the class that brain and mind is different. Okay, brain is an organ and mind does an activity. Mind works and how different mental processes result in different behaviors. When we observe others, our own point of view or ways of understanding the world influence our interpretations of their behaviors and experience. Suppose in case when you observe someone, then your view may be changed with the behavior of that person. A person can behave different in class, a person can behave different in a marriage function, or different in marriage function and in the family environment. So psychologists try to minimize such biases, okay, in their explanation of behavior and experience in various ways. Some do so by making their analysis scientific and objective. So we have the experiments in the psychology. Some do so by making their analysis scientific and objective. Others seek to explain behavior from the point of those experiencing persons because they think that selectivity is a necessary aspect of human experience. Suppose in case I am comfortable in doing yoga, so if I'll explain that thing to the psychologist and I'll explain that I don't like what hodgepodge in the life. So at that time, psychologist can understand my mind and can understand my temperament. Neuroscience and computer science borrow principles continuously from psychology. Yes, students, neuroscience and computer science. Neuroscience and Neuroscience and computer science borrow principles continuously from psychology. Yes, it is the main thing in psychology. What? Neuroscience. It is the main thing in psychology. Neuroscience and computer science borrow principles continuously from psychology. These are the fast developing brain imaging techniques like MRI, ECG, etc., which make it possible to study brain processes. Okay, so brain is an organ, but its process we study in psychology in real time. That is when they are actually taking place. Psychology is hybrid science, means how does a mind work when a situation is created. Okay, so it all depends on situation, it all depends on behavior and process. Psychology, then we can say, is a hybrid science. Okay, mixture of what that draws its influence from both natural and social science. Fine. So now we will see as a natural science, psychology as a natural science. Fine. So modern psychology modern psychology has developed modern psychology has developed because of the application of scientific method to study psychological phenomena. As a physical science, it emphasizes on the data that is systematic and can be studied under controlled condition. Yes, condition is given to a two man. Okay, two boys are sitting in a class and we will give them a condition and how they behave, how they react. So it is what? Controlled condition. It is quantitative and requires analysis. It takes influences from both physics and biology. So I have already described it what? That Wilhelm Wundt had taken philosophy and biology mixed and believes in hypothetical deductive model HDM. Okay, so why do we consider psychology as a natural science? Because in psychology we do experiments, we collect data, we collect information and all. any hypothesis can be accepted or rejected on the basis of factors available. The model suggests SDM model. I'll explain you in the class that scientific advancement can take place if you have a theory to explain a phenomena. A hypothesis is a tentative solution to a problem that helps in guiding us research or a theory. Suppose earlier we don't have the formula of water. Two molecules of hydrogen, two molecules of hydrogen, one molecule of oxygen make water. Then we have different analysis. See beta, whatever experiments are going on in medical field is also a part of that, you can say, natural science. But whatever the experiments going on human being, mind, mental processes, okay, behavior, we call it psychology. Hypothesis has been successfully used for determining many theories related to learning and memory. For example, the way a child has been brought up in his family will shape his personality. Yes, suppose in case a child is given a wonderful environment, so he will behave in that way. Two parrots are there. Okay, I am taking one example. Two parrots are there. Okay, दो parrots हैं of a mother. Okay, and one is given to the family who is using very good words, who has a very cultured family. So that parrot will behave in that way. We have the example. But the other parrot who is given to a hunter, he would definitely behave in that way. So same thing, a child is brought up in the condition definitely shape the personality. उसकी shape करता है personality को. The parrot is a story you can see anywhere. I'll explain you that in the class. Okay, conscious means to be alert and aware of something. We are aware of all the outside environment as well as of the processes taking place in ourselves. Thus, we are aware of the diverse sensations, perceptions, memories, and feelings that take place in ourselves. In waking awareness, we perceive time, place, and events as real, meaningful, and familiar. So, let us see over here. Suppose in case two boys are there, two boys. Have you understood this point that two children are there of means parent, एक ही माँ बाप के दो बच्चे होते हैं, but both of them are different. Why? Because their family environment is same, but whatever environment they have in the society make their personality. So it all depends on what that environment. Also it all depends on our behavior, how we treat them. Okay, so we study that in psychology, how our mind reacts. हमारा माइंड कैसे रिएक्ट करता है when a condition is given to us. Okay, so it is scientific based study. Then psychology is a social science discipline, focuses on humans as social beings. How? Because a human being, or any organism reacts in the society when a condition is given to them, or condition is given to them in the society. It focuses on the individual and communities in relation to their social, cultural, and physical environment. If we go back in history, psychology was defined as science of the mind. The use of term mind was considered to be relevant since it represents all the mental phenomena such as perceiving, thinking, imagining, reasoning, and so on. But certain difficulties regarding the term mind, its nature, and its relationship with the body continue to persist. Due to many researchers, particularly in neurology, the term mind has written in psychology. So earlier, the study of mind, but now mind is included in psychology, but in a different way. So it is true that mind and brain are different, and mind cannot exist without brain. Recent studies in neuroscience has proved that there is relationship between mind and behavior. Means, suppose in case if we are not behaving properly with someone, so definitely his mind will not accept that behavior. These researchers and neurological experiments proved that a person suffer from damage of some part of the brain, but his mind has remained intact. Yes, many time in accidents brain damage, but still the process of mind works. Okay, psychology is a discipline, psychology as a natural science. So we can summarize it in this way: psychology is a science makes uses of method, physical and biological sciences. Psychologists do experiments which others can repeat, verify, obtain quantitative data. I have already described it, what discussed. William Wundt had set up one laboratory, a first experimental laboratory in Germany. Okay, in Leipzig, Germany. So laboratory we used to set up in natural science. Okay, psychologists do experiments which others can repeat, verify, obtain quantitative data, and emphasizes on objectivity. And then we can sum up in this way: psychology is a social science. Psychology studies human beings in their social cultural context. Psychology is social science discipline focuses on humans as a social beings. So we have discussed what psychology as a hybrid science. Okay, mixture of what natural science and social science. Okay, and tomorrow I'll explain you in the class psychology as a discipline. Please go through these lines, okay, and try to understand psychology as a natural science and a social science. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.